It's already 9:20. We change clothes and going to Nea Soy 6 street foods. So now we're going to runway market. It's runway market. It's Nea Soy 6. Shira change clothes also. Me, I use shorts. So because it's outside hot and need always change clothes. Also backpack I not need already.
Not to eat.
Runway market Nea Soy 6, you already know. Water out of service, but we bought already water, so many. Oh, cat, Thai cat. Shira, another cat.
Go here, right?
Yes. Right side. Right. This is left. This is right. Right side we're going to the runway market. International Hospital in Pattaya. It's not so far, Shira, but it's okay for you. Oh, for rent. Bike for rent also. Nok bar. So many restaurants and bars also. Nok. Massage. Many Russian tourists here. I hear everywhere they speak Russian language. Massage. I never tried massage in Thailand. Never tried. Beer bar. And Chinese many, Russian people so many, and so many Chinese people, maybe Indian also. Oh, Bangkok airport phone number. Not need. Spa massage. Yeah, everywhere. Chinese people. Shira hungry. Because she want to so fast. Take a look. She go in. I know you're hungry now. That's why you're so fast. You want to run to the street market.
Because my last meal is
When?
12.
When? Before also you eat or you drink coffee.
It's not enough.
It's already market, Shira. Very close. So our location very good. Because very close from this market to Terminal 21 also. What is boxing? Boxing. No, I don't want. First we will eat. Crocodile. Crocodile not need. Yes, inside. Okay, let's go inside. 60 baht. Drinks. We can first we can walk and check what have. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, straight.
Listen. This one's for anybody fighting battles nobody sees. That's about 3 strength in the parts.
Oh, also this one. What you want? Chicken? Hi? What? Don't want fish? Chicken, fish, what you want? Okay, walk straight. It's Korean. Korean foods. Yes, spicy. Spicy. Okay, let's go. Barbecue. Barbecue, I want barbecue. We can walk and check what you want. Shara, this is airplane, take a look at this. Runway, this is airplane. Shira don't know what she wants. Fish also have fish. I like fish. But what you want? The fries, noodles? What you like? Huh? Okay, you walk and choose what you want. If you like, I will buy. But we eat today already the same. First you choose what you want. For me, easy to find. First, what you want? You want this one? Maybe you want something another.
It's okay.
You want here?
2 chicken 70, 1 chicken 60 baht, 2 chicken, 70 fried chicken, meat 70, 1 chicken.
We can try one and then we can mix another food.
This one?
And then we
Same we eat already today.
you,
Yes.
not me.
Mix 70.
Orange chicken, orange rice.
No, what? You choose. Okay, for me this one. But
Okay.
for you what? You see.
For you, you got the one, okay?
It's okay, we can sit here, yes.
Done.
Okay, first, Shira, wait. Sit please here. I order, you wait. And we can... Okay, sit. Yeah, number 3. Number 3. No, thank you. Shira don't know what she wanted. Maybe, what, you want to find?
Done.
Okay, you can walk nearby and choose what you want. If you want, you just say to me what you want. Okay? They already give me food. Same, I order for 45 and Terminal 21. Only more bigger soup and don't have sauce. Sauce you can take, same. So in Terminal 21, same foods is cheaper. Here 70. Not about money, it's okay. Okay. But why? You don't know what need to want you want?
Pork, 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 pork. Is it there?
Okay. Shaira said soup here better than in the 20 Terminal 21. So you like?
Yeah, just soup here so good.
Yes, the taste of the soup is good. We just finish it here. Full now. Full?
Little bit.
A little bit, she said little bit. Under the airplane. Yeah, many Chinese people. Market. Okay, we walk this way. Shaira, I found slippers your size. Crocs. What size? I don't know.
My size?
Yes. $480. Picture. Okay. We're going to Beach Road right now. What?
Central Park?
It's not central. It's not central. It's Soy 6, another side. We're going to Beach Road. It's Beach Road. So next street is Beach Road. You see, Shaira, take a look. This is building, and girls live inside in this building. Take a look. How they live. They work in the bar and live in these apartments. Ice cream. Oh, heavy traffic. You want to walk to Central? Okay, we can walk a little bit.
Here?
Yes, this road. Shaira. Shaira. You want to run or what? This is soy 6 already. This soy 6. Very popular street. Yes, maybe soy 6. Everywhere Chinese people talk. А with soy 6? One. Cafe Amazon. Oh, another street foods. Shaira, take a look. There's so many also. So many people in Pattaya.
Oh.
Everywhere foods. Street foods. And many people everywhere now. Shanka Mineral. Central Road. We will walk to Hilton Hotel now. хватает. Но... Soy 8. This is Soy 8. Not need to run, okay? Just slowly walk.
Now I'm gonna look at another one more bar. Reflection is a fucking mirror.
We are already near Hilton Hotel. This is Central Festival. Daytime we already walk here. So hot daytime. But evening, this time is okay. Now 10:22 p.m. and very comfortable walk. Not so hot. Central Pattaya. Maybe street foods outside now. Shaira, did you remember we bought before, I don't know name, but you like also, and we many times buy.
The dessert?
Yeah, dessert, yeah, but I want to see again, maybe have. Maybe already closed, I don't know. Maybe close, or maybe not. We can check now. Yes, don't have right now, yeah, don't have. Night market. Already. Yes, it's time now. 10:23 close. Night market. I don't know where I can buy. Same. What you want? Come back to hotel? Okay. Slowly, not need to run. Just slowly. Starbucks. Before we sit with Georgi also and meet with our subscriber. Drink? Oh, you can. It's cafe. Yeah, cafe bar. 19 cocktail. Maybe you want to walk on beach road. This is beach road. Not? No, because it's so many people here and this
That's okay.
not problem. And beach road white is not problem to walk. Don't want? Okay. We walk now in the beach road. Monday now, Monday evening, and many people. Барсные. Okay, it's good. Good weather also in beach road. Not windy now, yes? Not windy. So, what do you think? Where better? In Angeles or in Pattaya? In Pattaya for travel. In front of Soy 6, but we don't want to go inside Soy 6 already. Not interesting for us. You can see only. This is Soy 6. Maybe this or maybe not. Yes, it's maybe this is Soy 6. But we just walk here in beach road. Very good weather now. What is this? McDonald's. Shaira show to me. Oh, McDonald's.
Before, right?
I don't know. Maybe not.
The apartment near the back of the apartment. Pero,
This one? KTV. No. Also shortcut in this way. If you walk little bit straight and turn right. No, we need to go to. You won't buy mango, fruits, a little bit far. That's why we will.
But there in the market there have.
No. Better buy in the Chinese. What is Soho town? It's cheaper. We already know.
Okay.
Yeah, this time is good. 10:39. I check in my watch. Total we walk already 15 kilometers one day. One day 15 kilometers. For me it's okay. But for Shaira tired. She already changed her shoes already 2 times. Slippers. And she said, oh, tired already. Of course, it's first day for her walk. That's why she's tired. Another. This is soy 5. Soy 5. No, need a little bit more walk. Because we need to go to Soho Town. Soho Town little bit far. Aye? Вот. No, some people maybe live here. That's why many they sit maybe always here and sleep here. I know in news some Indian live in the beach, on the beach road here, and he sleep, and the police check his passport. He don't have hotel, not registered in hotel. That's why maybe it's not good. Maybe that's why police check sometimes. You see, Shaira, it's honey massage in our hotel near honey 2 massage. Soon we will turn right. Soon, yes, we will turn right. This is a road, it's a one-way road, it's a first street, we call it first street. And another, also one-way road, it's a second road. Please send comment, I am right or not. Guys, I don't know about name of the road. I think this is a road, it's a first road, beach road, first road, and another is second road. Okay, we can go to pedestrian line. Okay. Oh, seafood, fat coco, seafood club. Really fat.
Что-то есть, лучше уж по этой стороне пошли.
Fat Coco. His name, her name is Coco, Shaira. Coco.
Hello.
Okay. Russian people. These two guys speak Russian. Everywhere Russian people here. But you know, most of Russian live in John Ten Beach. So many. What we do it? Handmade. Leather work. Oh, it's good. It's good. Привет. Thank you. Good guy. Pattaya too. Sorry too. Take a look, Scania bus. How are you looking? Very clean right now.
May sleepers is better.
Ah, this slippers beta is new slippers. But why you not use before?
Because I used dress before.
No, it's okay with this dress also. You can use these slippers. What problem?
It's okay.
It's okay? Pizza.
I wish we can see the dessert.
Hmm?
The dessert I said.
Yes, we can see.
What is what?
No, next. Because it's a road to hotel. Soy one. Seven-Eleven. Please, no dogs allowed. No dogs. Shira, maybe this is cheapest manga. Take a look, 1 kilo strawberry, 100 baht. Mangosteen, 2 kilograms, 100 baht. We can buy here.
What you want?
No, we can check if we walk to a little bit move. Strawberry,
เบอ
mangosteen,
ร์ใหญ่เบอร์จัมโบ้ในที่วันนี้มากันใหม่ๆครับวันนี้สดใหม่จากไร่จากสวนนะครับ
2 kilograms.
ตาต่อเบอร์ที่เชียงใหม่นะพี่วันนี้โลละ
This is already 2 kilograms.
100 บาทครับตาต่อเบอร์ที่นะ
2 kilograms.
ที่หวานๆที่วันนี้มากันใหม่ๆที่สดใหม่จากไร่จากสวนนะครับ
And this 1 kilogram.
โลละ100 1กิโล100 บาทครับตาต่อเบอร์ที่ครับ
Can you move
ต่อเบอ
here?
ร์ที่เบอร์ใหญ่เบอร์จัมโบ้ในที่วันนี้เรามาขายกันถูกเลยที่โลละ100 1กิโล100 บาทครับ
You check.
วันนี้เดินออกมาดูมาซื้อ
What you want?
เดินได้ครับวันนี้จะซื้อมังคุดไว้กินไว้ทานมังคุดใต้ครับมังคุดใต้
No, it's 1 kilo strawberry. Do you want strawberry?
Yeah, we can try.
Okay, okay.
ใหม่
One.
ๆที่วันนี้มังคุดใต้ครับ
And mangosteen also.
มังคุดหวานๆที่มากันใหม่ๆครับ2กิโลร้อย
This is 2 kilo. 2 kilo.
วันนี้มากัน
And this one.
มังคุดตะกอนนะครับมังคุดใต้มังคุดตะกอนครับมังคุดเนื้ออยู่ที่วันนี้2กิโลร้อย2กิโลร้อยครับวันนี้เดินออกมาดูมาซื้อได้ครับ
Yes,
เดินได้ครับ
you choose.
วันนี้ซื้อตาต่อเบอร์รี่ไว้ที่ทานครับวันนี้ตาต่อเบอร์รี่เชียงใหม่นะพี่วันนี้โลละ100
Okay.
ตาต่อเบอร์รี่ครับตาต่อเบอร์รี่เบอร์ใหญ่เบอร์จัมโบ้ในที่วัน
It's
นี้
2 kilo.
มากันใหม่ๆ
2 kilo mangosteen is not clean first, Shira. Not eat right now.
1กิโล100
Okay, let's go.
ตาต่อเบอร์รี่ครับตาต่อเบอร์รี่หวานๆเลยพี่วันนี้
Papaya salad, Shira.
จากไร่จากสวนนะครับตาต่อเบอร์รี่เชียงใหม่
This is papaya salad.
1กิโล100 บาทครับตาต่อเบอร์รี่ครับ
With fish.
เบอร์รี่เบอร์ใหญ่เบอร์จัมโบ้ในที่วันนี้เรามาขายในที่โลละ100 1
Okay.
So we go to
We go to north, Pattaya North. Shaira, Naklua Road, you want?
no.
And 20 kilometers today we will walk. Tired already. Вот. Put inside? Okay. Okay, need to scotch tape, Shaira. Okay, this side.
Beautiful.
Yes, beautiful. Oh, it's new. Decoration new.
I think if you want to just if you walk before,
Yes, it's road near close Terminal 21.
would be not
Yes, it's far from hotel.
really far.
Far, yes, no problem.
What to have?
Good exercise today.
It's not good exercise.
Good exercise, Shaira, it's good.
I think for you.
And for everyone, not only for me. So not easy for you. That not need, Shaira, not need. Hi? Flower. Вот. We already near Rotonda. So far, of course, we so far walk.
I'm hungry already.
Hungry already? Okay, you can eat fruits.
No,
Another morning you can eat.
нет.
You want sleep more, I know.
I want sweet more.
Shaira, strawberry,
I need
it's
strawberry.
very good.
No.
Milk?
Strawberry.
Mhm. 1 kilo strawberry you can eat. This place name Dolphin, Shaira. Because dolphin, take a look. Terminal 21. Tired, Shaira. We don't want to buy more fruits because it's enough for us. It's already enough. Not need to buy mango today. Maybe tomorrow. This is already Chinatown, Soho town. Very close. But Shaira want to buy sweet drinks in 7-Eleven. Yesterday, you want also strawberry? And strawberry eaten with strawberry juice. Okay. Now take a look, so many people inside 7-Eleven. I don't want because it's cold for me. I don't have jacket. Yeah, so many people now. Again. Strawberry with strawberry. Okay, let's go. You can drink, it's okay, no problem. You walk first. So we're going to hotel right now. So tired, I'm also a little bit tired. And thank you for watching. Shaira!
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.